All right, a quick video on a belt maintenance on an Oreck XL style vacuum cleaner, home or industrial, pretty much the same thing. The thing is pretty old, quite honestly. The belt finally gave up the ghost. I did flip it over, and as with most of these, there was a spare belt down here, but you know, it was just as old as the rest of the vacuum cleaner. So it did work. When I first put it on, you could actually smell rubber burning, so that tells me it's probably not in the best of shape. So a few bucks later, pack of 4 from Amazon, overnight. Really a pretty good way to go. So I'm just going to swap the new old belt out for a new belt. Although this is going from OEM to some sort of aftermarket, but I think it'll probably work out just fine. It's just a belt. So the trick is take this little panel off the side, slide straight out, and you can see the belt here. Now most videos are going to tell you to take the whole bottom of the thing apart, which is actually good if you need to replace the roller, because that's what you have to do. But in this case, I'm just going to kind of force it off around the edge of the big roller here. Okay, and just push it down, pull it out the front, and you got it out. Then dive into our new pack of 4 brand new, which is about twice as many as we really need. And I'm going to just force the leading edge down around the front roller, and I'm going to use a screwdriver to facilitate that, kind of push the trailing edge of the belt down under there, because that way I don't have to take anything apart, and I can just stretch the belt over the capstan. I'm going to use a Phillips head for that. Okay, nice and tight. So there it goes. Put the panel back in. For future utility, we'll grab another one of the new belts and put it down here where we'll have it next time we need it. And let's see how it worked. Doesn't get better than that.